Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and today we're going to be doing some cinematic building back up of this XJ650. I have so many parts to go back on. We've got parts back from anodizing, replacement lights for the ones I broke in the other episode. We even have all the wheels done, freshly powder coated from Project Wheels, fresh rubber, painted discs, new bearings, everything ready to go back on the bike. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, press that subscribe button and enjoy the video. we finally have the bike looking like a bike again. This is a huge step in this build. We have been doing this for over 1.5 years now, this build. So yes, some people can do this quickly, yes, people can do this at a snap of their fingers, but I'm doing this in my spare time. I only get a few hours a week to do this sort of stuff, and I love it, and this is one of the reasons why the videos take so long, just because I don't have a fat lot of time to work on the bike. There is still a hell of a lot to do with this bike. I mean, we haven't even got any rear suspension yet, but that's all we've got time for in this video, unfortunately. But to me, I feel that we've done a hell of a lot, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who does watch my videos, everyone who does support me. This is something I really want to do. This is something I really love doing, and if I can do more, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification to see more videos, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.